Tay, you are the reason I am here today. I wanted to thank you for always supporting and motivating me. Without you, I wouldn't have made it this far. I wish you two the best for whatever problem you might face.
Mami, thank you po dahil binigyan niyo po ako ng sobrang daming pagmamahal at sana po naiintindihan niyo po na mahal ng mga ito.
Daddy, Mama, you are the reason that I was born and had a good life that other children doesn't have. And I am grateful for that. Thank you for your kindness, love, and effort. And I will always love you. Thank you.
Ma, dahil po sa inyo, nakaabot po ako sa with honors. At dahil po sa sakripisyo niyo po, nakapag-aral po ako sa magandang paaralan. At nagpapasalamat po ako sa sakripisyo niyo po.
Ma, you are the reason why I'm here today. Thank you so much for your sacrifices. Please remember to always take care and I love you too very much. Thank you.
Hi Lola, you are the reason that I live well and I'm grateful that you're guiding me every step every step I take in my journey, and I love you so much, Lola.
Mama and Dada, kayo po ang dahilan na nandito ako ngayon. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo at maraming salamat sa pagbibigay buhay sa akin ng pag-aaral dito. Nandito ako ngayon na nag-graduate dahil sa mga ginawa niya sakripisyo para sa akin. Maraming salamat. Dear Mommy and Dad, thank you. You are the reason why I'm here today. Thank you for giving me motivation and inspiration. Thank you for raising me to be a healthy kid and be a good kid. Thank you for supporting me through my ups and downs. Thank you for everything that you did to me. I love you both and take care always.
Dear Mommy and Dad, thank you for being the best parents in the whole world. Thank you for being there for me through happy and tough times. Thank you for giving us shelter and the things we need. And thank you for helping us and giving us chances to discover our hidden talents that we haven't discovered yet. Thank you, Mommy and Daddy, for all of your hard work. Thank you. I love you.
Dad, you are the reason why I became strong, kind, and responsible. Because you guided me, took care of me, and supported my dreams. Thank you for that, love.
Dear Mommy and Daddy, thank you for the things that you did to me. Thank you for providing things for me. Thank you for taking care of me. I love you. Mommy, Daddy, you are the reason for everything that has happened to me. You are the reason for my success and for who I am today. Without your endless love and dedication, none of this would have happened. I am grateful for the sacrifices and support you have given me. No matter how hard life gets, you are always by my side. Thank you. Mama, Daddy, you are the reason that I'm here today. I'm very thankful to have parents that loves me and takes good care of me. Thank you for helping me face my problems and fear. I love you both so much.
Mama and Daddy, sir, ito na yung thank you sa pag-support sa mga laban ko. Thank you po sa pagpapaaral sa akin sa Montessori de San Miguel. Thank you po.
Mama, Papa, you are the reason I'm here. Thank you for sending me to school.
Ma, Pa, you are the reason why I'm here today. Thank you for the support you guys give. Thanks for the love and trust you give me. I love you.
Nanay, kuya, kayo po ang dahilan na nandito ako at salamat po sa pagsupport.
Ma, you are the reason I'm here today. Thank you for your everlasting love and